All right, in the last video, we went over how to design, create your Canvas course homepage, add text and graphics to make it more inviting for the students. Today, we're going to go over how to turn those images and buttons into actual links. So we'll go into a demo course, an example of a homepage that has some images and some buttons on there, and you're going to go to Edit. All right, now you just have to decide what you want to link to. So if you click, let's say we go with modules first. We want our kids to be able to click on the word ecosystems and it takes them to an ecosystems module. So you go ahead and click on the word ecosystems, highlight it, and then one way to do it is to come over here and actually click on modules and find the module you want to link to. And then you see it's highlighted, and then click Save. So now you can practice and say, okay, go to my home page and go to the Ecosystems module. Okay, what you see is it takes you to a modules page, and it pulls up Ecosystems, opens it, and kind of focuses the kids on this particular module. The problem is it really doesn't link to only the ecosystem modules. They still see some of the others if they're published. So you could manually, unpublish the others so that they only see the one you want them to see, but that's a lot of work. You could also get around it by linking to the first page of the module, but I think it's easy enough just to link to the module and it takes them straight to this page, of modules, and then they choose the first page and work their way through. But it's kind of up to you as a teacher. Another thing that you can do, let's go back home. Other than linking to modules, we'll go to Edit again. When you click on the button and you see anything over here you can link to. You can link to a page, you can link to an assignment or a quiz. But say I want them to go to an eLearning Day welcome page. So I go over here and I find the eLearning Day welcome page, it highlights it, and then I save it. And then when I go and test it, we'll see where it takes us. eLearning Day welcome page. So that's the very first day, that's the first page of a whole module. And it's the welcome page, and then they work their way through that module. We'll go back home, go under Edit. So linking to specific pages or modules, they're both possible. You can also link to other courses. Like say maybe you're a teacher that teaches all the subjects and you really just want to use your homeroom course, but you want everything to kind of flow through that. So you might have a button or an image that takes the kids to reading or science or math. So all you do is click on reading, and then you would link to that course. The problem is you don't see a choice over here for the other courses. So what you have to do is go back to your dashboard, go to whatever other course you want to link to. So say you want to link to a reading course or a math course, open that course up, and you can copy the URL to that course. Then go back to your homeroom page and hit Edit. Choose the button or the image that you want, and then there's this little button right here that says Link to URL, and go ahead and paste it in there, Insert. Then make sure that you save, and then test it. So the kids go to your homeroom page, they see your nice homeroom page, and then you say, go ahead and go to reading. So they click on reading, and it should take them to your reading course. So it's possible to link to a lot of different things depending on how you want to set your course up. A lot of teachers in elementary, you might see their homeroom page, and then everything might be in modules. So there might be a button for bats or a picture of a bat, and it links to a bat module. Some people do it by linking to like the correct Pearson site for the kids to log in. I mean, there's just all kinds of things you can do with it. A specific assignment like morning work, you would link We go up here to edit and then choose that word morning work, come over to assignments and find whatever file you uploaded. So maybe, see if I have it in here. Maybe you have morning work for that entire week. And then you save. So the kids on their iPad, you'll see it a different way, but when they click on morning work, it's going to take them to that assignment, the morning work assignment. So that's another way that you can use that. So other than just creating and designing your own homepage with images and graphics, buttons, you can make those clickable links to help guide your students within Canvas. And it's really just up to the teacher on how they use that. If you have any questions or need any help, you can email me at astarnes@decaturproud.org.